So for today, I'm going to show you how simple it is for Windows 11 in order to do some shortcuts that are going to save you a lot of time. So for today, we're going to do the Windows symbol, which is on the bottom left-hand side of your keyboard. It looks like the Windows icon. If you push Windows plus the A button as Apple, that's going to show your quick settings. This will pop up right here, and it will allow you to switch onto different networks if you need to, or connect the Bluetooth. And the best part about this that I enjoy is on the bottom right, this wheel will take you right to your settings feature. So in settings, you can manage all of the things that you need that are accessible online to customize your computer to anything that you need. So hopefully that's quite insightful. Again, I will be sharing just tips of the day. Today is just simple. Windows plus A will bring up that quick reference. Again, the window in A pulls this up, and we can customize this if you will. Follow for more. If you have any questions, let me know.